Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will put y square go to the left, dx go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have negative number 1 over y. This one, we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. So we simplify number 3. And now I will put this one go to the left, y go to the right. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.